Hi, welcome to the Healing Path. My name is Christina. We've been discussing ways to meditate and talking about how meditation is accessible to everyone because if I can meditate, so can you. I happen to have ADHD and are very distracted and very full of energy and all those things that make it hard for people to meditate. So the hardest thing for me, besides sitting still when I meditate, is being okay with my mind being distracted. So that's all it is. Meditation is simply the act of finding or picking a focal point. And when you find yourself distracted, gently returning to that focal point. So this helps so many things, helps your body relax, helps your mind. It does help your mind relax, even if your mind is busy. And it helps to regulate your nervous system. And it's also great for being present because many times when we're stressing out, we're not being present. We are catastrophizing and coming up with the worst case scenario for whatever our perceived problem is, right? Because sometimes problems aren't necessarily problems, that we just see them as a problem because we're holding on to what we want to be happening. And for whatever reason, that's not happening. And then we view it as a problem. So, anyway, I guess this is just what I do. I assume other people do it as well. So, okay. So, today we're going to practice a meditation where you use your hands. And this one is really entertaining to me because sometimes I need more than just sitting and focusing on my breath or my sound or mantra or whatever. I need more help. So what you do is literally just trace your fingers, and for each trace is an action. So tracing up the finger is inhaling, and then down the inside of the finger is exhaling. Up the outside of the finger, inhale, and out and down, right? So you'll just trace your hand. And we're just going to do one hand, okay? We won't go through both, but we'll do that another day, perhaps. But today we're just going to practice it together with one hand, okay? All right, so you can sit down, lay down, or stand, whatever is comfortable for you. Excuse me. And you can do this anywhere you want if you're having a moment and you need to focus and get out of your head. All right. So let's do it. Okay. So we'll take a deep breath in through the nose, exhale out of the mouth, and then we'll begin inhaling, exhaling, inhaling up the finger, exhaling down the ring finger. Inhale up the middle finger. Exhale down the middle finger. Inhale up the index finger. Exhale down the finger. Inhale up the thumb. Exhale down the thumb. All right, release your hand. Take just a moment. I hope that went well. That was a very quick one, right? It's good. It's good. All right. Well, I encourage you to continue practicing this and other ways to meditate. If you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe for more. If you'd like to work with me one-on-one to work on ways to meditate, we can totally do that as well. So I look forward to more time spent relaxing with you soon.